happening to me? Okay, this is getting boring. I'm just gonna get some water. Hic! Oh, come on! Okay, I think I'm better now. Hic!
Saluton, Sarah Jane. What happened?
I'm just having hiccups right now.
Oh gosh. What do we do now?
I don't know. Hic!
You're having hiccups again. That must feel annoying. Well, I think I'll call Justin to help you.
Hopefully he'll help me.
Yo, Justin. You better come over here. We have sort of a sticky situation.
Yes?
Sarah Jane's having hiccups. We need to help her. But I don't know how.
Oh, okay. What should I use to stop her hiccups, though?
Oh, maybe this can help. Here, Sarah Jane.
Ah, I see. Hey, Sarah Jane, follow me. Oh, okay. Now you follow the instructions. Are you feeling okay now? Yup. Good.
Отлично. Looks like Sarah Jane's hiccups stopped. Looks like Justin and Synthwave saved the day. Now, back to learning my Haitian Creole and Swahili.
Finally!